Hello everyone. I'm going to go ahead and cover my canvas with white, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, so I'm just going to quickly give this a torch. This canvas is a 12 by 16 inch deep side. So I'm just going to start off with just putting a bit of white down. And I think I might go in with a little bit of this plum colour. It's actually really pretty. I don't really want to use too much paint today. I've got a little bit of gold here. Please have a look in the description for how I mix my paints. So I've got some old Venetian gold, which is metallic, and I don't really want to, I'm not really after the pearl cells for a change, can you believe it? And I'm also not going to be using a lot of paint. I do want some negative space, so that's kind of what I'm after. I have a little bit of this as well, which is the also the metallics. And I don't want to use too much of that either because it's pretty powerful. And I have some red, just to spruce it up a bit. And put that around the outside. So I kind of have an idea-ish of what I want to do. And just kind of see what happens. Just use up that and put a tad more gold in the center, although I'm a little apprehensive. I don't know whether it's going to be the right thing to do. Maybe on top of that, right? Although I would really like a little bit more of that purple in the center. And let's see if I can get a little bit of black. What did I do with the black? Here it is. This is a bit of pearl black. And it's also, well, it's a little bit of metallic, but I did mix it with my Mars black, so it won't do too much. Okay. So I've been watching this mathematics thing again. I'm a bit of a geek in that way, and it's actually the vortex which symbolizes, it's this with the 9, and then it kind of meets at the 6 and the 3. Oh. It kind of looks like a pentacle, but no, it's not supposed to be. We'll just go with that. Okay, let's see what we can get. Wow, these colors are very pretty. I think I see something here. Just get rid of that quickly and give it a bit of a squiggle through there. And I'll bring it back. Okay, let me torch this and see what I can get. I might have to tilt it a little bit more. Flamethrower again. Okay, firstly, I'll get rid of that there. Don't particularly want red in my white. Okay. I'm thinking. Let's see. I could go this way. Yes, and I'd like to break this up a little bit too. Yep. So this gold is really shining up very nicely. I do like what's going on the sides here, so I don't really want to disturb that too much. Wow, this gold is, you know, it always surprises me, amazes me how beautiful it is. Okay guys, I'll just give this one more torch and then I'll bring you down. So I really love the way the red has come out here. It's almost like a borderline, really, with the little cells, and how the gold has blended into the white, and the pewter has come out really beautifully as well. I love what's going on over here. I think that's really nice. And I'm not sure, is that a starfish? Comment below, what do you think it looks like? So I love this here as well. You know, it almost, to me, it actually looks like leaves and like wheat. Really pretty. Well guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.